So we are looking at my screen right now, and I am on the Chrome Music Lab Songmaker. So this is exactly where that link on your lesson should take you. So there's kind of two sections to the Songmaker. There is this kind of boxy section, which you can kind of just click notes as you will, or you can unclick them if you don't like them in those spots. Right now it's on a marimba sound, but if you click it, you can have a piano, string, woodwind, or synthesizer sounds. I like the marimba sound, so I'm going to keep that. So you can go pretty crazy. You could even have like whole chunks done, although it's probably not going to sound very good. Then you've got this bottom section, which is your drum kit sound. And right now I have it on electronic, so it's making that electronic drum sound, but you could have it be on blocks, which gives it kind of a almost like a wood block sound. Is kind of weird. The drum kit sound. A conga sound, which is kind of fun. And then, yeah, back to the electronic. So then you can press play. That obviously, it repeats. That's like a pretty hideous sound, so I do not recommend doing something like that. I recommend doing something that actually sounds good, where I just kind of did a bunch of clicks. I probably wouldn't actually do that. I'd probably do something like this. Let's see. Bum, 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 bum. And I'd probably kind of try to make it a rhythm, and I wouldn't do anything like that. That's kind of scary. But the cool thing about it is that it's really hard to make it sound bad if you kind of like follow how the colors work. So you can kind of do a lot of different stuff. You can change how fast or how slow it is. Oh. All right, that's so boring. Or you can make it go crazy fast. So you kind of can really just experiment around. Find something that you genuinely like creating, because this is pretty fun. When you feel like you're all done with your composition here, what you do is you click save. And it's going to give you this link. And this is the link that you're sending to me. So you need to copy it. And then you're going to put this link, you're going to paste it, which you can do by either right-clicking, and I'm obviously not in a writing part, so there's not a paste. But you could right-click and do paste on a private comment on your assignment, or you can press Command-V at the same time on your keyboard to get that link. And so that's how you're going to share your composition with me. Now, I am looking for like, you know, like, should look like you actually tried a little bit, so I shouldn't see just insane chaos. I want to see something that you enjoyed making, and it doesn't have to be super crazy. It could be simple, but have fun with this, and then make sure you send me the link. If you have any questions about this, you can send me a message, and I can help you with it. I think it's pretty straightforward, and I love how you don't even have to download it. You can just save the link. So have fun creating your song.